Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Kearsney, as this time last week, and we're going to go on platform 2 to see the 0903, which is delayed to 905, and I believe it's 375 806 and 375 610. Anyway, let's get into the video. Three 806.
London Victoria, this service is currently on time. Calling at Shepherd's Well, Snowdown, Aylsham, Addisham, Beaksbourne, Canterbury East, Selling, Faversham, Tenham, Sittingbourne, Newington, Rainham, Gillingham, Chatham, Rochester, Mepham, Longfield, Bromley South, and London Victoria. This service is operated by South Eastern.
Okay, so I'm now at the other side of the platform, which the train stops here, and I will see it come in, and yeah. Okay, thanks for watching that video. I don't have much time today as my mum wants me back home to go shopping. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give that a like, comment and subscribe, as the next train is another hour and I don't want to wait as well. So I will be coming back to the station, but not today. I will be uploading this video around about an hour's time, so that will be around 11 o'clock. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.